boys and girls, you are going to write your first name, last name, and date on this top line. From old to new, sequencing is putting things in order from first to last. These sentences explain how an old pumpkin can be made into compost, but they are out of order. Read them, then cut them out and paste them in order. If you look in your Scholastic News, you can see that they put the stages of the pumpkin in order. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do the same thing on your paper. You're going to cut out these 4 sentences and place them in order 1, 2, 3, 4. You are not cutting across the whole paper. You are only cutting out this rectangle here. You are cutting out here. Which one comes first? Put the pumpkin pieces in a bin outside with other food scraps. Make sure to stir up the scraps so the pieces start to break down into compost. Did that come first? Smash the pumpkin so that it breaks into small pieces. Did that one come first? Wait for the pumpkin to get soft and mushy. It's ready when it's smelly and has mold spots on it. Did that one come first? Spread the compost in the garden to give other plants the nutrients they need to grow. So let's look in our Scholastic News. Which one comes first? Number 1 says, first, let your pumpkin get rotten. So if we look, which one matches let your pumpkin get rotten? Wait for the pumpkin to get soft and mushy. So I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to glue it onto number 1. Then I'm going to use my Scholastic News to see which one comes next in number 2. And I'm going to cut and paste it onto the 2, then the 3, then the 4. Sequencing in order from first to last.